Steady tryna maintain same things that'll blow a bitch my frame. My brain can't fathom what the hate say. He say, she say, how about me say? Get a V say, headed to the islands ASAP.
Guys, what is up? Happy 28. No. Wait, bye. Happy 2019. I don't really know what y'all are gonna do this year, but I'm excited for this year. Hi.
Hi.
Hey, friend. Bye, friend. I actually like the headband.
What if I just stop? No.
I actually like the headband on. It actually looks normal.
Sure, tell yourself that.
Oh, she's a little feisty. She didn't take her medication today. No. So, like I was saying, I will be doing a makeup.
Can you be quiet so I can record?
So, guys, I'm going. Go! So I am going to be doing a makeup video for y'all because it's 2019. And every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, you can expect a video from me at around, I'm trying to be promising because it's a new year, new me, hello, not really. Around like 11 to like 12:30 is when I'm going to be posting. But let's just get into this video, this eye video. I kind of want to do an eye video like Makeup Mondays. Boop, boop, boop. Makeup Mondays is what I'm going to start doing. So hopefully you all like it. And yeah, let's hop into the video. I am not ready for this video at all. I'm not prepared for anything. Like, new year, same me. Sorry for the disturbance, but I was trying to take some thumbnail pictures, but the lighting just looks better on the video and not on the actual picture, so. I hope I actually look as good as I think I look, because I think my skin you know, okay, I'm done. Let's get into the video. I'm gonna go ahead and tell y'all all the products I'm using, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and put them on my face and beat my face up real quick for a real one. Make sure I don't look as crusty as I think I do. Okay. Yeah, so let's just get into what I'm gonna be using. So, I don't know why y'all are watching. Y'all are like, Denise, like, that's how I make y'all feel. I know, it's okay. It's okay. So first off, I love to do my eyebrows, and whenever I do my eyebrows, I have to have my glasses on. I don't really know why, but I do. So first off, eyebrows, and yeah. Okay, so I'm done with my eyebrows, and yeah, so this is basically all I really do for my eyebrows. So either I go in with the pencil or I'll go in with the pack, but I don't really feel like using the compact, so I'm going in with the pencil. Now it's time for my eyes, and like I said, I'm dumb. I got 2 different colors. This one looked good on my skin, but I'm gonna try this light beige. So bear with me. Go ahead and set my lid with concealer. Primer on, because I want like a bold color. But before I get this bold color, I'm gonna go ahead and put this eyeshadow on my eyelid, and it is Maybelline The Rock Nudes. Y'all, time is not my friend right now. I'm just like looking at the sun, and I'm just like, boo-boo, stay out there just a little bit longer. And I will be coming in with, I'm not a makeup guru, with this shade right here. Okay, so I think, if you can see it, I'm trying to block out the sun. It looks so good. Like, excuse me? I feel like I really want to do a pop of color. So we're going to use like a little bit of the yellow and a little bit of the blue. And we're just going to have fun, you know? No, is it big? No, is it baby? So we're just going to smear her all around. Putting on the eyeshadow, and for that I'm kind of nervous. I'm gonna be using my brand new palette. Me trying to learn how to be a makeup guru. Maybe not. I don't feel like my fingers are doing anything. Okay, this beautiful color on my eye. I think it would be kind of cool actually to go in with green. So I'm going to be putting the green on the outer corners of my eye. A long way. So me just tapping it or lightly gliding it, you get good color payoff, like really good color payoff. And I think this is like a good video for me to do. Shade to kind of tie it all in together. I don't feel like it looks bad. I feel like it's very creative. And touch up the eye a little bit more. I think I'm gonna put like some colors in my crease, and then I'm gonna do the other eye off camera so y'all won't have to watch me for that long. And then I will come back. Alright, so the lighting has changed just a little bit. I'm starting to look like an orange. So like I said, comment down below your favorite product. Make sure you comment, like, share, and subscribe. And I will see y'all on Friday with, oh wait, if this video is going up Friday, I'll see y'all Monday. So, wait. I can't put a Makeup Monday video up on Friday. So this video is actually on Monday, but I will see y'all on Wednesday. And that means I have to record a video for Friday. As y'all can tell, I have a lot going on, so I will see y'all in my next video on Wednesday. Hope you like, comment, share, and subscribe. And you enjoy. I think I already said that, but that's okay. Bye guys. Y'all know I love this e.l.f. eyebrow kit, so we're going to be using her on the eyebrows, as well as this e.l.f. brow pencil. I should just go ahead and be sponsored by e.l.f. because like e.l.f. like I have all your stuff, like I use you, so go ahead and hit me up for a real one. Then what else? This is gonna be out of order, so please forgive me. I use my Morphe palette, even though I'm gonna be using this Juvia's Place, because that's like basically what the video is, me using my new palette. But it's mainly glitters, and like I said, I don't really freak with glitters like that, so I will be using her. and I'm super excited. I'm so terrified to like open it and drop it. That happens all the time. Or like a fingernail goes into like your makeup. If y'all ever have that happen, you know. But yeah. So I will be using these beautiful palettes on me. And what else? Palettes. Colors. Eyeshadows. I will also be coming in with this highlighter, because y'all know I love a good highlight and I don't wear foundation. What else? Also the e.l.f. wax. Eyebrow wax. So we use her all the time. And I also will be coming in with some e.l.f. concealer, because I love e.l.f. concealer. Always. I think we have 2 different colors. I think those are 2 different colors. Yeah. Ooh. Oh! That's why it looks so different on me. I was like, why does it look different? Because I both got them at like the same store, I think. Well, they were the same price and they look the same. And I knew I get something beige. But one's apricot and the other one's light beige. This is gonna be fun. So I did not know that until now. Kind of sucks because like the apricot was like the perfect shade and I feel like this is gonna be hella light, so I'm gonna see about her. And then I also have my highlighter. What's it called? This is eyeshadow. I'm so bad at this. Like, can someone please fire me already? Okay. That's okay. Then I have another concealer by LA Colors. Then I got another e.l.f. one, and this is an eyelid primer that we use. And then we also use the professional one.
I just wanna be the one you love. I just wanna be the one you love.
Give me every time.